Why the fuck I done dropped my whole phone in the fucking ocean? Everybody tried to pick it up. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out Slushie, sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. What's up, good? Welcome back to the channel. Like always, it's your girl, the Ariel, and today we back with another weekend vlog. So I just left the Lex, and we're gonna hang out this weekend. We're supposed to be going to CRU at 9:30. It's 8:23, so I'll make it at like 10:30. Like, who's on a fucking time frame, bitch? Not me, okay? So I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me for probably the next 2-3 days, because I have really nothing planned. I'm just going to CRU tonight, and me and Babe supposed to be going on a date tomorrow since the kids are going to the circus. Tune in. I got my eyelashes done. We got a refill today. My eye, for some reason, keep fucking leaking. I have absolutely no reason. Like, I don't know. At first, I thought it was like my allergies fucking with me. But it's been 3 days now, and my eye is still fucking leaking. So I don't know how to really feel about that. Okay. I got a piece of burrito. So today is Sunday and my eye is still fucking running. Oh, look at this. We are out at Tap 42 on a date because we don't got no kids. What's today? My face looks crazy. Last night was insane. I lost some fucking wallet. Alright, so we're back. Today is a Saturday and we are at Dana Point at some place called Dakar. It looks new. So we came here for Ocean Bar, Ocean One. And apparently they closed. Like, excuse me? That's all, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Alright, some kind of way, as always, we made it to the fucking lake. How we got here, I have absolutely no clue. Do we have a bottle? Of course. These people are alcoholics and they don't know how to stop fucking drinking. Sad. You ready, babe? Why we don't know how to relax? They need to relax. It's time to go.
Y'all want $20 a piece?
Who?
Airdrop it to you.
I don't think you can airdrop money, but
Y'all good?
I guess.
Yeah.
It's time to go.
Get it to Mario 200.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Y'all say that? Y'all say that? Go.
Look behind.
Jump in the water, bro.
The water right there. Big fold.
Get me on this fucking boat. Why the fuck I done dropped my whole phone in the fucking ocean?
Keep my old way them and pay that water shit.
What?
So pay that shit, boy.
Get me out of here.
We gonna drink, we gonna drink. Let's go. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yeah. Keep it under the head like that. Gotta vote. Out the door, you gotta go, bitch. Bye-bye. Walk. It's time to go. It's time to go. Tell Louis, it's time to get the fuck off your boat. Tell him. Louis is sick of us. What's up? Okay, so this is the issue I'm having. My fucking Ninja Slushie won't slush. So at this point, we just finna drink cold, really, really cold alcohol juice. First ride. Why are you getting that pizza like that? Don't drop it on your shirt. That's part of it. Fat. I need my lashes done. I look crazy, but we are at the fair. Had to bring the kids to the fair. This one is acting crazy. Man, the last day of this vlog. I don't know what day we are, but it's the last day of this one. I gotta close it out. He was trying to do on the other one. Hi. Yes. You look like a child.
And I'm with Maurice, so that don't make it no better.
Want to be in the vlog? Say hi.
Hi.
That boy is still ready to get on the ride. That's for big kids and little kids?
Where do you want to get on, CJ?
Papa, you don't think you made...
No,